Tired of wrestling with website builders that take hours? Endless menus, confusing settings, and way too many options? What if you could generate a full, professional-looking web page in under 5 minutes with just a few clicks? That's exactly what we're going to do today with Gamma AI. Here's the exact workflow. We'll pick a template, customize it with simple prompts, and let Gamma AI do the heavy lifting. Let's dive in. All right, the first thing you want to do is head over to gamma.app. Once you're there, you'll see a big blue button that says Generate. Click that. This is your starting point for everything. Gamma asks you what kind of content you want to create, and for us, that's a website. So from the options that pop up, choose Webpage. This tells Gamma, hey, I want a website, not a presentation or a document. It's a simple but crucial step because it sets up the entire structure for what comes next. Now, here's where you get to have some fun. You'll see a box labeled Prompt. This is where you describe your website idea. Be specific. Don't just say, a website for my business. Instead, say something like, a modern landing page for a small bakery in Seattle with a warm, rustic feel, featuring our top 3 pastries and a contact form. The more detail you give, the better Gamma understands your vision. Think of it like talking to a really talented designer who just needs clear direction. Once you've typed out your description, click Generate Outline. This is Gamma's thinking moment. It's going to take your prompt and create a skeleton for your page. It might decide you need a hero section, an About Us area, a menu section, and a contact block. You'll see this outline appear, and it's fully editable. And here's the really important part. Take a moment to review that outline. Read through each section. If you want to add something, like a testimonial section, you can type that in. If you want to remove a section, just delete it. This is your chance to refine the structure before Gamma goes and builds the whole thing. I always check this carefully because it saves so much time later. Once you're happy with the outline, click Generate again. This time, Gamma builds the complete web page. It writes the copy, picks images, and arranges everything into a beautiful layout. This might take a moment to process, especially if you gave it a lot of detail, but just sit back and watch the magic happen. So now that the page is generated, you'll have a fully functional website. But here's the best part. You're not stuck with Gamma's color choices. You can tweak practically everything. Use the built-in editor to change the color scheme, swap out fonts, or rearrange sections. If the header font feels too formal, pick something friendlier. If the background color is too bright, darken it. This is where your personal touch comes in, and it's incredibly easy to do. Finally, when everything looks exactly how you want it, hit the Publish button. Gamma will generate a live link that you can share with anyone, instantly. No hosting, no domain setup, no coding. You just click Publish, and your site is live on the web. So there you have it, from a blank prompt to a published web page in just a few minutes. No code, no stress, and no overwhelming menus. Just a simple, clear workflow that puts the power of AI right in your hands. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at how fast you can go from idea to live website.